My jewels on cam.
Oh boy, undisputed swag champ, Flo Floyd, no L's, riding in that Rolls Royce.
Alright man, y'all know what time it is. It's your boy Young Billionaire, and we back in front of the millions.
And in front of the millions.
YouTube, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribing. Alright, so I was thinking, I was like, dang, I feel like I haven't really talked to the people in a minute. I feel like I haven't been putting myself out there. So I want to give you guys an update on my wolf right now. I just started my first week wolf. How long am I gonna go? I couldn't even tell you. I don't even know how long I plan on going this time, because I got like a couple events to go to, a couple things to do. You know, just some real cool guy stuff. It's on the DL right now. It's on the DL. Real hush-hush information. But I do want to show you guys the update on where my hair is at right now. My crown is still whack, you know, but I swear I just figured out how to brush my crown. You know what I mean? I just figured it out. What we're going to get into right now is I'm going to just give you a quick update on my waves. Let you see where this is at. I feel like this is supposed to be a wave channel, but I feel like I don't really get a chance to show off the bangers in real life. We're still working on this side too right here, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was. Crown, you know, we just working on the crown, man. We just working. So, like, I was kind of feeling some type of way about my waves, because I was like, man, I feel like I'm taking way too long to get to where I want to get to and where I feel like I should be. But I just heard somebody earlier today just say that they've been in the wave game for almost 2 years and that they just got in the wave game. I was like, well, I guess that's a good way of looking at it, because it takes you about a year to get like great waves. You know what I'm saying? It takes a year. It's a lot of trial and error. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys that quick update right quick on the waves, and want you guys to see, you know, make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram. The link is going to be somewhere down here below, somewhere over here in this vicinity. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. It's definitely something on the way with your boy, man. It's definitely something on the way. Look at me. I got great hair and I'm handsome. What else is there to know? Side note, man, I'm playing around too much. But y'all take it easy. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all comment, make sure you guys subscribe, and we out.
It's the money. Familiar with pain, but wanna know joy. Money talk, so you gotta raise your voice. Taking pictures in my latest gold road, boy.